Akers Packaging Service Group. Fast, flexible, focused.
Absolute focus and dedication to the customer has been the driving force since my grandfather founded the company. We've invested technology and infrastructure and equipment to allow us to respond to our customers' ever-changing needs. With that in mind, I'd like to add future-minded as the fourth descriptor of who we are and how we do business. Future-minded means that we have the people and leadership in place to anticipate our customers' needs and deliver what they need when they need it, today and tomorrow.
Recent capital investment at Akers Packaging Service includes one of the most advanced corrugators in the industry, as well as the installation of a fully automated conveyor system. Another critical component of the expansion project was the addition of the Kiwi Plan scheduling system, an integrated demand pull software that schedules the converting machines automatically every 15 minutes, ensuring on-time delivery by maximizing machine throughput and efficiency. A computerized inventory management system, or SIMS, from C&M Conveyor automates the handling process, delivering material as needed to the finishing machines or unmanned smart carts. Converting equipment at Akers Packaging Service also includes 8 high-speed machines, 4 Flexo folder gluers, 3 rotary die cutters, and a new 190-inch J&L Mark V specialty folder gluer. Akers Packaging Service is committed to continuous improvement, actively benchmarking key performance indicators with best-in-class companies in the industry.
We've been a top manufacturer of corrugated packaging for over 50 years now. Most of our competitors have nothing like our plants in terms of technology, our unique packaging solutions, and our delivery. We have a packaging design team for when a customer calls and they need their product packaged in a certain type of box. That's what we do. We have design team engineers that design and build a package around the customer's product to protect it, to ship it, to deliver it to their customer.
One of the benefits we have from Akers, and it's a big benefit, is their quick turnaround time. We are constantly getting asked by Walmart, can you ship this in a week? That means 2-day turnaround. Akers has been able to do that for us over the years. They've helped us out a lot. They're true partners. Number one, they're reliable. Number two, they're very, very honest people. They're just good to work with. I'm constantly recommending them to other suppliers, as long as they're not in the candle business.
I have worked with Akers Packaging for over 25 years. Currently with Huhtamaki, they are our only corrugated supplier. We'll call Akers and say, look, we got a problem. I need more product than we had anticipated. They have never failed to step up and deliver that product on time and when we needed it. Akers forward thinking is important to us because we intend to grow our business in many directions, and we want to be certain that we're working with a supplier like Akers Packaging. They understand customer service, and they do anything and everything that they can to make sure that they service their customers. And what more can you ask?
My father, William C. Akers, founded the company in 1963 in Middletown, Ohio. Absolute focus and dedication to our customer has been our driving force ever since. My dad, when he first started his company, he put a little sticker on the telephones and it said, the answer is yes, now tell me your problem. Our general manager, sales manager, and production manager were not allowed to say no to any order that they brought in. So if they wanted today or whenever, we had to figure out how to do it. Today, we've grown to one of the largest independent corrugated companies with 10 plants in the Midwest. We have very dedicated people here. I think the best of the best. They understand that we're here to serve the customer. My dad ingrained that a long time ago. He actually put it in the name of our company. Customers stay with Akers Packaging because we're dependable, reliable, consistent, and we made the investment in this facility here knowing that we're here to stay.
Fast, flexible, focused, future-minded. Akers Packaging Service Group. Passionate about providing superior customer service and committed to innovative packaging solutions.